Welcome back to Long Island TV. Today, we're making all the furry friends here at Long Island Game Farm. So let's go check it out. So we're here in Manorville at the Long Island Game Farm that's been here for over 50 years and has over 200 animals, from giraffes and zebras to lemurs and wallabies. There's so many interactive experiences here where you can feed them, touch them. It's like no other experience on Long Island. So if you book a VIP tour, you can come inside the encounter area and pet zebras. This VIP tour is awesome. I mean, where else can you pet an emu? Time to do something that you can't do anywhere else. We're gonna get up close and personal with the wallabies. So the cool thing about Long Island Game Farm is that an educational tour guide will come around throughout the day with special little guides like this. Once you're done feeding all the animals, you can head to the snack bar where they have a bunch of goodies, chicken, fries, ice cream, everything you can think of. Had so much fun here today. The wallabies were definitely my favorite, but the baby goats definitely were a close second. Highly recommend coming here and getting one-on-one with the animals for yourself. And if you can't get here during the summertime, they plan to be open year-round, including the winter, depending on weather. So make sure you check their website for all the information. And for other things to do on Long Island, make sure you check out our website, discoverlongisland.com, and subscribe to all of our social channels. See you next time. We're gonna get up close and pet the zebras. I can't pet them. We're gonna explore this whole place that's been in, and we're gonna check out. And for all other ideas on Long Island, make sure you, sorry. See, I have to think about what I'm gonna say.